Are you ready for a fun quiz? Let's challenge our brains and have a blast with numbers. Which is the smallest number? A. 4 tens 3 ones. B. 3 tens 4 ones. C. 4 tens 4 ones. D. 3 tens 3 ones. The correct answer is D. 3 tens 3 ones. 33 is the smallest number from the given options. Which number is greater than the number on the given abacus? A. 21. B. 13. C. 42. D. 24. The correct answer is C. 42. The abacus represents number 24. Arrange the following in descending order: P 2 tens 6 ones, Q 3 tens 4 ones, R 4 tens 3 ones, S 3 tens 3 ones. Options: A, P, Q, R, S, B, R, Q, S, P, C, R, S, Q, P, D, S, R, Q, P. The correct answer is B, R, Q, S, P. Which of the following options is correct? A. 8 tens plus 20 ones is equal to 28. B. 3 tens plus 4 ones is equal to 34. C. 4 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 45. D. 1 ones plus 6 ones is equal to 16. The correct answer is B. 3 tens plus 4 ones is equal to 34. Kavya had 13 chocolate. Her mother gave her 8 more chocolate. Her father gave her 7 more chocolate. How many chocolate does she have altogether? A. 26. B. 27. C. 28. D. 29. The correct answer is C. 28. Adha had 90 marbles. She gave 27 marbles to Tanushi and 16 marbles to Hanisha. How many marbles are left with her? A. 47. B. 48. C. 49. D. 50. The correct answer is A. 47. Which sentence gives same value as 45 minus 32? A. 64 minus 52. B. 76 minus 63. C. 59 minus 43. D. 47 minus 33. The correct answer is B. 76 minus 63 is equal to 13. The height of the penguin shown in the image is equal to how many triangles? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. The correct answer is D. 8. In the given image, who is taller than Ali but shorter than Ella? A. Rat. B. Riddhi. C. Dog. D. Mona. The correct answer is D. Mona. Which of the following options shows that the item on the left side is lighter than the item on the right side? The correct answer is A. On a balance scale, the lighter side will come up when objects of different weights are placed on it. Woohoo! Congratulations, you did an amazing job on the quiz. Share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exciting challenges.